you made the account a sitting duck. So you basically assisted this lawyer, probably didn't put in a very strong defense. I think, Chair, we should be asking our legal team to look at the actual case, to look at whether it was well defended, to look at what was in that account, when was the amount attached, and why was he attaching this amount? Did we owe him that much fees, or did we owe him more than that? Are you still waiting for more accounts to be attached? So, because sometimes I think that the lawyers in this country, sadly, are part and parcel of the corruption. It's so easy for you to say it's legal fees. Now we've gotten into an even bigger. We've taken it a notch higher. Now it's not just legal fees; it's legal fees attached and account surrendered. It's really sad. So I want to know about this case and the amount that you owe the lawyer and the amount that was in the account. Did he take everything that was in the account, or did he leave something in that account? Or was it exactly, you owed him more, so he took everything? I need to understand that.
Okay.
Chair, I've expressed my fears for a long time about the legal department with NLC. They have never won a case. They have never won a case, according to my research. They have never won a single case, and it is by design.
The normal budget is 16 million for legal. Is that, which seems to be very low. Yes. But when you look at the pending bill, it's 1.4 billion. There is an institution with almost 400 million. The other time when you came, it was more or less the same. Then you made a payment. Does it mean there was another payment then which had not been declared?
Legal is where we have an issue. We have both historical and current issues. Remember, we inherited over 9,000 cases from the former Commissioner of Land, Ministry of Land. Those cases are still on us, and most of these cases which we are now being charged, some of them are historical. So even current one. So the legal land issues will never miss support cases. And I'm glad that Honorable Baz has noted that, Honorable Chair. So this is what we requested, and you can see the DPS 16 million, and even in the approved actual budget 16 million. So that maybe that's what we were given, and it was never reduced.